All right, so I have my Samsung Galaxy Note 7 here. I'm going to do a water test, and I'm going to be testing my touchscreen underwater, as well as using my stylus. I'm also going to be testing the speakers while it is inside the water, as well as when I take the phone out. I'm also going to be checking the iris scanner, see if it works while it's underwater, and I'm going to see if my phone charges after I'm done with this water test, okay? So let me just dip my Note 7 down here, and so you guys probably already know it is IP68 rated. Basically means it can be underwater or underwater up to 1.5 meters, which is about 5 feet, up to 30 minutes. Okay. The same thing with the Samsung Galaxy S7. It's IP68 rated as well, and the Samsung Galaxy S5 for you guys out there for this older phone. This is IP67 rated. Okay. However, I use both of these phones in the ocean, going down like 6, 8 feet, no problem. I'll have the links below if you guys want to see those videos. But you can see my Note 7 has been in here for almost a minute and no problem so far. And the touchscreen doesn't work with my finger, okay? While it's in the water, I can't do anything. Okay, so let's do this. Let me go ahead and take out my stylus. Let me pop that out. And let's see if we can do anything with the stylus. Okay, no problem. Doesn't even feel like it's underwater. And of course, if I open up the camera, I should be able to. Now with my finger, I'm probably not going to be able to use the shutter. So, but with stylus, no problem. If you're going to be swimming and taking photos and things like that underwater, then instead of using a stylus or trying to, you're going to have problems trying to touch that shutter button. You can just use the volume rockers right here. Just use the volume rockers. There you go. You can see it takes a photo a lot easier. So let me do this. Let me go ahead and check out the iris scanner, and then after that I'll do the speaker test, and then the see if the phone charges. So let me just go ahead and turn the phone off, and let me go ahead and try the iris. Let me take these headphones off. Let me look in there directly. Nice. No problems with that. Now let's do this now. Let me go ahead and oh yeah, and while the phone is like wet, you can see how it's kind of, if I bring it in and out like this, it kind of acts kind of funny because the water and stuff like that moving around. So let's do this. And sometimes when the phone's wet too, it's kind of difficult to be able to swipe even with your the touchscreen using your finger. So it's always better just to like wipe it dry really fast. But let's do this. Let me go and play music, okay? Let me go into YouTube here. All right, so let me play the song here. Volume's all the way up. All right, now I'm slowly going to put it in the water. Hopefully the screen doesn't turn off. Okay, it did. So let me just do this. Let me go back. Oops, because the water's still like kind of moving. Let me just go in there. Let me go back into YouTube here. And let's press play. Nice. I can hear it perfectly fine. Now let me do this. Let me go ahead and slowly pick it up, take it out of the water, see if there's any difference in sound. Sounds perfect. Sounds the same, no problem. Okay, so let me do this now. Let me just go ahead and dry this phone off really fast, and let me go ahead and see if I can go ahead and power up this phone, because I did have an issue with my S7. It was like a temporary thing where I wasn't able to charge for like 10 hours. And when I basically charged the cable into my USB port, it gave me this like warning saying that it's like wet and I need to give it some extra time for it to dry out before it'll actually start charging. So let me go ahead and pop this in right now. Oh wow, I actually just seen water come out of here too, but you can see it's charging no problem. Where's my safety recall notice? I haven't returned my Note 7 yet. Let me go ahead and try that again. Ready? Let's pop that in there. Wow. It is actually charging. So pretty much it. Any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.